This thing is awesome. It's a 3 different trucks put into one. It's got the big old tires on it. It's got the engine right in the middle. Then you come over to this driver's side, like got the clutch, the brake, and the gas, which is really weird. And then you got your shifter, steering wheel. I'm guessing those are for the lights and stuff. By the way, I'm out at my step-grandpa Hank's house, so I'll see if we can get on this sucker. Let's see here. Maybe we can put this like that. So get in here. There we go. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now, it's pretty sick, because get your brake here, gas here, clutch here, shifter, and light switch and stuff, and then your steering wheel. It's pretty sick, because this is all cool. Like he's got like tons of trucks out here. It's pretty cool. Excuse me. Hoping to get started on one, me and my dad, and maybe he could help us to do it, but I think it'd be cool to do. So, let's see if we can get down from here. There we go. Better. Now, got all your trucks over here. Pretty cool. So, that's it.